Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover and backup WhatsApp messages on an Android. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up the WhatsApp app. And then in here, for example, you wanted to back up this specific messages, right? Like these ones right here, or your current messages. Well, just go ahead over to your profile at the bottom right, tap on chats right here. Tap on it and now scroll all the way down and find chat backup. Okay. And this is, of course, if you wanted to automatically back up your messages. For example, you just wanted to export it. Well, just go ahead and find chat history right here at the very bottom. Now tap on export chats. Find the specific user or DM. Include media or without media. It's up to you. And then you can go ahead and save this one to your Google Drive or wherever. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to chat backup right here. Just make sure that you have your Google account ready. Type it down right here, and then automatic backups should be a daily, weekly, monthly, or even manually right here when you go ahead and tap backup. Okay, this button at the back. All right. So I'm just going to show you. I'm just going to tap on backup right here, since I can't wait for WhatsApp right here to automatically back it up for me. Okay, so here we have it. The time today, 12:23. Last backup was made 12:23. Now, let's say, for example, you have deleted a message. Okay, let's say I'm going to go ahead and delete this message right here. Tap and hold, delete. Now, since we have already, okay, listen closely, since we have already made a backup where the message was still there, well, to recover it, all you got to do is reinstall WhatsApp. Okay, tap and hold, uninstall or delete, and then go ahead and reinstall it. Okay, reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store, and then after that, it will just ask you to continue with your backup. Okay, so go ahead and use that option, log in, and after that, you're good to go. And that's how simple it is to restore and backup WhatsApp messages on an Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.